Right, we're going to import Excel data now to automatically colour a map for us. Now, the easiest way to get some Excel data is if we do something like we did previously with the radial circles. Create some circles, ring intervals. That's covered the entire map. We'll extract the centroids, colour the postcodes. We've got an entire map coloured in now. We'll hide the circles. We'll go up to save, export it as a CSV file, download, and then we have the Excel data here. So what we can do now is we're done. We'll create a new map, new without saving. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Additional data, we don't need that. And we'll go to import Excel. Now go across to Excel, copy the entire column of postcodes, right click copy, click in here, right click paste, click in the name column, right click copy, right click paste. And then if we want those all as a different shade of a similar color, we can say select reds and then import now. There we go. If we want to change the order of these, we can click this button. So you can see it's lighter red in the middle now, darker on the outside. Do it again. Darker on the inside, lighter on the outside. And you can do that with all the different colours. Like so. If you want to manually change one of the colours, you can do so here. Like so. That's it. Dead simple.